guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to sign up to Roblox account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already installed Roblox app in your device. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Roblox app. Here we go. At the bottom, you can see two options, sign up and login. Tap on sign up. Now you have to fill all this information here. You have to firstly choose your date of birth. After you are done, you have to choose username. Here it is saying that don't use your real name. After you are done, you have to choose password. After you are done, you have to choose your gender. Now you have to tap on sign up on that green icon. Wait for a few seconds. It is in the process. Now you have to tap on verify. Now you have to pick the parrot here. After you are done, you have to again pick the parrot. Here I would not like to save my password for now, so I will be tapping on not now. You can see that I have easily signed up to my Roblox account. In this way you can sign up to Roblox account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.